With coronavirus cases rising in much of the Ohio Valley, one of the questions we've been getting from most of you at home is how school and health officials determine when to shut down a school building. The question's echoing even louder as an entire district goes into quarantine.
Today, News 9's Gage Goulding sought out to find the answers for you. He has more.
When it comes to making the decision to shut down a school or keep it open when coronavirus cases arise, the decision isn't easy. And I learned today that there's several major factors that play into that, like the size of the school, the number of people that came in contact with the infected individual, and the number of cases inside the school. But with everything with this disease, every situation is different. Today, I spent several hours on the phone with school leaders in Jefferson County. The goal? To create a snapshot of the coronavirus cases the schools around the county are managing. The most cases are within Buckeye Local, where Halloween weekend events led to at least 19 cases and an estimated 500 to 600 students and staff needing to quarantine. Buckeye Local shut down for 14 days. Steubenville also seeing a handful of cases, including 7 at the high school, resulting in 65 students in quarantine. All Steubenville schools are now open, which begs the question. What is the deciding factor that helps schools decide whether to close down or stay open?
It really depends upon the size of the school. When we have a smaller school that has a decent number of cases, that's a more significant problem than when you have a larger school that has the same number.
Specifically for Steubenville High School, the number of cases and those in quarantine there, is that reason to shut down the school?
No, that's not. At this point, they have 7 cases that are in 2 groups of students that are known to be in contact with each other. And in Buckeye, we seem to have a much larger spread throughout different groups in the community.
Buckeye Local wasn't forced to close. In fact, the school consulted with the county health department, as they do with every case, and the decision was mutual.
In order to quarantine that many people, it was just totally getting out of hand. This has been spiraling out of control.
Other major factors considered is the size of the building, which helps promote social distancing. The number of people who need contact traced also weighing in. That's why Toronto City Schools shut down their junior high and high school football programs. This Friday, 54 of the 59 students and staff in quarantine will be released, with both teams back online by the weekend.
We can't control what happens outside of our schools, but I think we've done an excellent job of managing the virus and making sure it's not spreading.
Dr. Kissinger also telling me COVID-19 cases are still on the rise in Jefferson County, with 8 people hospitalized because of the disease. Reporting in downtown Steubenville for News 9, I'm Gage Goulding.
Steubenville High School Principal Ted Gorman said in a statement today that the cases were not contracted within the school. He also said the school is working to keep everyone safe by working with the Jefferson County Health Department. Gorman believes that Steubenville City Schools are a clean and safe environment for students to learn, grow, and persevere.